everyone. So in this session we will see what is a government company. Government company as per section 245 of the Companies Act 2013, not less than 51% of the paid up share capital is either held by a central government, state government or the governments, or partly by the central government and one or more of the state government. So when the 51% of the total paid up capital is held either by a central government or any one or more state governments or a combination of central government or a state governments, then it is known as a government company. Now let us see one example. Say this is a company and it has a paid up share capital of 1 lakh. Now, out of this 1 lakh, 30,000 is held by central government, 20,000 is held by Maharashtra state, and 10,000 is held by Karnataka state. And then the balance is held by other shareholders. That is 40,000. Now, if we see this, total paid up capital is 1 lakh. Now, the total shareholding by all the government, that is central government and the state government, is 30,000 plus 20,000 plus 10,000. So that is 60,000. So if we see 60,000 is 60% of the total paid up capital. So this is a government company. Now, let us take one more example, similar example. Now, 1 lakh is the total paid up capital. Now, out of that, 40,000 is held by central government and 60,000 by other shareholders. Now, in this case, 40,000 is held by a central government. Now, 40,000 is 40% of 1 lakh. So, now this is less than the 51%. So, this is not a government company. Let us see one more example. Say there is a company, total paid up capital is 1 lakh. And then it is held by state A, 10,000, state B, 10,000, state C, 10,000, state D, 40,000, and then other shareholders balance amount, that is 30,000. So now if we see all the combined shareholding of all the state government is 40,000 plus 10,000 plus 10,000 plus 10,000. So 40,000, 50,000, 60,000, 70,000. So 70,000 is held by shareholding is held by all the different state governments combined. So now this combined shareholdings is 70% of 1 lakh. Now this 70% of 1 lakh is greater than the 51%, so it is a government company. So in short, when not less than 51% of the paid up share capital. Now when they say not less than, that is it has to be a 51 or more than 51. So not less than 51% of the paid up share capital. Even if it is a 50%, then it is less than 51. So it won't be a government company. So not less than 51% of the paid up share capital is either held by a central government or state government or partly by central government and one or more state government. So not less than 51% of paid up share capital. Again, this is important. Paid up share capital. We have to calculate 51% on the paid up share capital. Now say if there is some share capital for which the amount is not paid by the shareholders, then in that case that won't be calculated. Only paid up share capital and what is a percentage of the government holding in the paid up share capital. So it can be either central government or state government. Now either single state government or one or more state government. Or it can be combination of central government and one or more state. So this is about the government company.